Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Today we're going to do something I've never done before, and that is open up a mail-in. I received my mail-in cards recently, and this is just one of those pieces I need to open up. That's why I picked up as many cards as I have. The major unboxing video is supposed to come out soon. That is really something I've never done also, is open up that many cards in one video. So here we are going to do this car. We're going to open it right up. It's the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser Kmart mail-in. Pretty cool car. I know a lot of people were going crazy over these, that they went into a back order. But let's take a closer look at this car itself. Very nice car. So I got it out of the package. Really cool Hot Wheels protector with the logo on the back. Over here, let's take a closer look at this. As you can see, 2018 collector edition. You got the 50th anniversary logo. Really cool. Take a look at the back. Here is the back. Really cool. Here, let's go, and we will open it right up. Wow. Words cannot explain how beautiful this piece is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful paint job. Real riders. Take a closer look. Let's turn it this way. Wow. Details are amazing. Look at that. Really cool. Really liking that. What does the license plate say? It says bad gas. There we go. Really cool looking car. Definitely excited that I was able to get this. It was on back order, and then a few days later it finally shipped. And hey, look at that. Really cool. Here's the underneath. Really liking these wheels. Definitely one cool piece. If you haven't gotten one, try to pick them up now before they become really expensive. But the mail-in is over. But you can probably find some of these on eBay right now. Definitely cool. Very cool piece. Really liking this. This is by far my most favorite mail-in car right now. And this is the first time I've done a mail-in in a very long time too. So really cool. There is another piece that's coming up within the next few months. Don't recall if it is the next mail-in or the one after that. Is supposed to be the GMC van. That one is a very cool piece too. It will probably be another one that I will pick up several of for my collection. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed a look at this, and I'm really shocked at how beautiful this piece is. It came out really nice. And definitely will love to pick up the rest of the gassers from this year. If you guys haven't noticed, we are getting several different varieties or variations of the gasser, and the mail-in is one of these pieces. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.